Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add multiple clickable checkboxes to your fillable PDF from using Foxit PDF Editor. Already there one of them checkboxes here and I will also add two of them. Now select form option. Here you will find this checkbox option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor and select. Already selected. I will do another one. Yeah, and select all of the checkboxes and click right button. So properties dialog box or select here align and distribute, and I'll make both same size. See this, and select align horizontally and see this, all of this now same size and alignment also remain same. Now select hand option and see this is the default checkboxes now created. If I select the select annotation option, you can customize all of them. Click right button and select properties and this appearance dialog box. Here it says all of them border color is color, align solid, fill color, gray color and check mark color and make it red. Set close and select hand option and see this. All of them now send this and this. And finally select this file option. Save or save as fillable PDF from. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.